Hello, I'm Levu, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Nairobi. Today, I'll show you how to make outbound calls to your specific countries in Amazon Connect instance. Let's get started. First, I'll open the AWS Management Console. From the console home, I'll search for Amazon Connect and then I'll choose Amazon Connect. In the list of Amazon Connect instances, I'll select an instance to get its Amazon resource name. I'll note the instance ARN to use in a later step. Before I request new countries, let me first make sure that I turned on outbound calling on my instance. I'll select my instance alias and then choose telephony under channels and communications. If make outbound calls with Amazon Connect is selected, then outbound calling is turned on. If it isn't, then I must select the option and then choose Save. Each Amazon Connect instance has a default set of countries that you can call, based on the AWS region that your instance is in. For example, instances in EU Frankfurt, EU London can call the United Kingdom, Italy, France, Ireland, and the United States by default. To view all countries that are available for outbound calling and their per minute rates, you can check the Amazon Connect pricing page. To add countries beyond the default ones, you must submit an AWS support request. Let me show you how to do this. Open the AWS support console to create a new support case. For service, select Connect Number Management. For category, select Country Allow Listing for outbound calls. Then, select the appropriate severity level for your request. In description, include your Amazon Connect instance ARN and list the countries that you want to add. For example, I'll request Austria and Germany. In the subject field, enter a clear description such as enable outbound calling to additional countries. The Amazon Connect team will review the request and add the countries. For smaller requests, the request is typically processed within a few hours. Larger requests might take longer. When the countries are added, agents can use the standard international dialing format with the country code to immediately make outbound calls to the new destinations through the contact control. To limit where your agents can call, you can also submit a case to AWS support to restrict outbound calling to fewer countries. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.